This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to replace the Hotend on an Anycubic Kobra 3. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the front cover on the Hotend module. Set that aside. No need to unplug it or anything. The second thing you're going to want to do is unplug the two different plugs that come from the Hotend. And once those are unplugged, there's that little clip on the right side of the heatsink. You want to pull that out to the right, and when it twists up, it should unlock the Hotend. This is just a little comparison of the old and the new. Put the new Hotend in the same way it came out inside the heatsink. And make sure to put that little clip back in so it doesn't move around when I'm trying to plug the wires back in. I want to make sure that it is straight. And as you're plugging these wires back in, make sure that the pins are lining up correctly. And then the last step, it's pretty simple. Put that front cover back on and it should just clip right into place. One thing you want to be cautious of is any of the wires that are in there. Make sure they're not getting clipped in the sides.